Hey everybody, this is Chris Bystead from Guaranty RV here in Junction City. Just showing you one of my favorite trailers. This is an Apex 215 RBK, under 5,000 pounds dry weight, which is really great. And it's a really cool trailer. I'm really excited to show you. Come on and take a look. It does have a nice pass-through that goes all the way through, solar on the side. A big power awning that all lights up and LED lights, 2 outdoor speakers. Frameless windows. It's a nice feature, all in a double axle for a trailer that is in the low 20s in length and under 5,000 pounds. This is really chock full of great extras, like this outdoor kitchen right here. If you'll notice here, you've got a pull-out grill, a fridge, a sink, extra lights and plug-ins and storage for your food, all underneath this awning. It really makes for a wonderful camping experience, and it extends your trailer 50% when you're all out here. But check this out on the inside. So right over here, I'm going to show you the bedroom first. You've got windows all around, nice shirt closets and storage up above, storage under the bed as well. One of the things that people really like is that this is set up for the TV to turn around. So you can actually have it be dual purpose. You can see the TV in the bedroom, and then during the daytime when you're out here cooking and hanging out and playing games, you've got the TV, the stereo, everything right there. And it just hooks back in place just like that, very easy. DVD player, Bluetooth, speakers, the whole ball of wax, your whole entertainment right here. And look at this big, huge seating area in the dinette. Of course, the table folds down. You could sleep a couple people here, which is great. This trailer sleeps 4 adults. And the tabletop is the right height where you can actually be cutting and using this as an extension of the kitchen area if you need to. And you can even turn the table around and push it in and turn it into a booth, and it'll give you a little more space here, walking space. But you've got lots of really nice drawers on metal sliders, a great cutting area, 3-burner cook stove with oven, a microwave, a hood with a fan and light. Nice size refrigerator, Dometic refrigerator and freezer, plenty of place to put all your food. Speaking of which, you've got extra pantry space right here, which is invaluable in a small trailer. I don't have to tell you that. But look at the size of this bathroom on top of that. Tons of storage in the area up there as well. It's a really nice shower that's all surrounded. Plenty of space to get everything done with the door closed. This is a fantastic trailer. I would love to show it to you. Give me a call. My name is Chris. My number is 541-636-7878.